happens when you throw a leaf in a pond of water? How about a rock? Have you ever wondered why the leaf floats while the rock sinks? In this video, we will be taking a look at the physical property of density. Density is a ratio of how much mass a substance has for its volume and can be shown mathematically as density equals mass over volume. It might help to think of density as a measurement of how tightly packed together the particles are that make up a particular substance. The more tightly packed the particles are, the more dense that substance is. Think of a room with 25 people in it. Now think of the same room with only 2 people in it. In the room with 25 people, the people are more tightly packed together than in the room with only 2 people. Therefore, we would say that the room with 25 people is more dense than the room with 2 people. So how does this explain why the leaf floats on water and the rock sinks? Materials that are less dense than water float, and materials that are more dense than water sink. The particles in a leaf are less tightly packed together than are those in water, and the particles in a rock are more tightly packed together. Therefore, the leaf is less dense than water and floats, and the rock is more dense than water and sinks. Let's take a look at a quick demonstration to show the relative densities of 7 different liquids: rubbing alcohol, vegetable oil, water, dish soap, milk, maple syrup, and corn syrup. As you may recall, materials with a density greater than water will sink, and those with a density less than water will float. We are going to create a density tower with our 7 different liquids in order of their density. We will start with the greatest density on the bottom and work our way up the tower, decreasing in density. And there you have it, a completed density tower with the liquid having the greatest density at the bottom, and then the densities getting progressively lower as we go up the tower.